Introducing Antaira's patent-pending DIN rail design. This unique DIN rail design securely locks devices in place with our innovative spring-loaded locking mechanism, providing users with effortless device removal. Have you ever had a difficult time installing or removing devices from DIN rails? Try Antaira's new user-friendly DIN rail design. It's as easy as press and click to mount, and as simple as lift and release to remove. Experience the ease and reliability today. Antaira's patent-pending DIN rail design, simplifying your industrial installations.